Alright, this is an EGR valve from a VW JETTA TDI. I had a code, I forget which number it was, but anyways, here it is. The EGR valve was bad. It was put the vacuum gauge on this part here, and it wasn't holding vacuum, so the rubber inside had a hole in it. I cut it off, and that's what's inside. Heavy duty spring, and this is the EGR, well, the valve that opens on your exhaust side right there. And it's just the rubber that went. Cost me $236 for a new one of these things. You can see the holes in that. You see the holes in that? Yeah, you can see the light right there. Just two little holes. That's all that was wrong with it. I wonder if you can see them. No, not like that. Anyways, that's what was wrong with it. It just came separated there. I guess it's getting some sunlight there. Maybe you can see a little better. It just came separated. Two little holes in there. That's all that it is. If this ever happens again, I think I'm just gonna block it off maybe. Anyways, that's the look on the inside of an EGR valve.